Bess. Hey. Yes, we made it. Much struggle. Much struggle.
Flashback.
So it is March 8th. Our flight has been cancelled to Paris. We're supposed to fly tomorrow and be there by 10 a.m. on Friday, but because of the strikes going on in the airport in France.
There's a new barrier to travel here in France this Friday, as a strike over wages and working conditions is expected to force the cancellation of 10% of flights in and out of Charles de Gaulle Airport.
That's not gonna happen, so I got us a rebooked flight that's gonna drop us to Heathrow first before we do an hour-and-a-half flight to Paris. I have checked in baggage this time, and I am afraid that if we have, you know, a transfer from one airline to another, it's gonna increase the chance of our luggage getting lost, and also that it might end up getting canceled and I might get stuck somewhere else again because of the strikes going on at the airport. Y'all check out whether we make it to Paris. Here we go again.
Like purchases, and I have a spare magazine located in your seat back pocket.
A few moments later.
Landing on one runway. They're expecting some weather to come through later this morning and some rain. And because of that, it has decreased the number of aircraft that can land in San Francisco. So they've given us they call it a wheels up time, a time that we can depart in about 1 hour. There is the chance that it can move up, and sometimes it does, to an earlier time. Hope for the best.
We're pros by now. We know the drill. Just laugh and cry inside. I cannot. But thankfully, hopefully we are wheels up earlier or at the latest by that hour, and we should be okay for our next flight, which is 1 p.m. because that's the same time, right? Yeah. That should be San Francisco time, 1 p.m. So it should be okay as long as please that goes through. So for now, we're good for now. Fortunately, we were wheels up within the hour as promised and made it to San Francisco with enough time to make it to our next flight, which ironically also eventually got delayed. But I will say the flight crew we had going to San Francisco was top-notch, especially because we had a very different experience in American Airlines a month before this, where we actually missed our flight. Most of the people on our flight had tight connections. They walked around for that hour we were waiting, calming them down, giving people water, and eventually deplaning in such an organized fashion wherein they asked everyone like us with long layovers to stay behind so others could make their flight, which I believe many did, so kudos to them. Sakit na ng ulo ko, wala pa kami sa London. Ang haba pala niya. Sabihin mo, nakaikot ka na ng London. Nakakita kami ng pastures, counted na yun. Ito na nyo, oh, diba? Pangit! Nakadaan pa kami ng highway. Nag-touring na kami dito. Okay, dito guys, free pala yung ano nila, hop on, hop off. Joke. Nakakaloka.
Karating pa lang. Actually, hindi pa tayo nakakaalis.
I felt it in my bones. Kaya buti nagpa ako ng isang set talaga. Ang ano ko, wala akong toiletries. Ayun, dun tayo trains. Bababa pa, diba? Yan. Kasalukuyan hong naghahanap sino rin ng mapapalitan ng pera dahil may bayad ang washroom. Nasa airport pa kami pero may bayad na yung washroom, guys. 1 euro daw. Naka-machine. Kaloka.
Guys, the struggle is real. Kasi, hindi kasi nagre-research siya eh. Itong mga to, walang time mag-research. Paano? Kuya, nasan na yung ano? Kuya, nawala na si Kuya.
Ba't mag-isa lang si Kuya kasi? Uwi-uwi.
Off to a good start.
No. Like literally from the start.
From the start. Hindi pa nakakaalis.
Okay, how does this work? Like this? Yeah.
Whoops.
Tu fais 7h, 9h.
This is the washroom. The washroom's actually kind of nice considering all things considered. Ganito lang siya. Isa just perfect for two. We have some closet space and then TV with Netflix, washer dryer, microwave, plates, and some stuff. Okay guys, 3 flights. I don't know how many delays, 48 hours later. We're finally here at our B&B in Paris. Anywho, for now, rest up, eat, and then tomorrow is our first official day in Paris.
End of flashback.
Yes, we made it!
Much struggle.
Much struggle. Ito yun yata nakita ko isa. Yun no, supermarket. Mamaya mamimili kami para makain namin yung adobo. Ngayon, mimit namin yung Lola ni Narine. Hi Lola Heidi. Hi Lola Heidi. Nakikisali po ako Lola, sorry. Aming first mission fail.
Wala po kami guys. Hindi mo namin pupusan kami. Gusto nakita namin yung tower.
Success!
Ang hirap. Ang hirap pag ano.
Guys, pupunta kami dapat dito sa na to, station, pero metro station. I think this is the this is the SNCF station.
Yes.
Pero pupunta na lang kami ni Lola Heidi. Thanks Lola.
Buti na lang talaga.
Guys, update na hanap. Hinahanap kami ni Lola, pero nahanap na yung luggage kasi deliver siya mamayang gabi.
Display yung mga merch, gano'n. Merch na pads, tampax.
Pag pumasok, di gano'n, pabayad ka 1 euro sa saka ka papasok?
Babayad ka, tapos papasok, tapos dito ka lalabas.
Wow!
Sabi ko kahapon, kailangan ko pa bang magbayad palabas? Tapos nakatayo lang ako sa harap, tapos merong
may lumabas.
Sabi niya, salida. Sabi ko, yeah, see? Sabi niya, yeah, there. Sabi ko, okay. Tapos lumabas. Wala kamuang-muang sa mundo, ang hirap.
At least kala mo yun, hindi kami marunong mag-French, pero maraming nagsa-Spanish.
1 euro. Kano yun?
Nakaka 2 euro ka na sa pag-iitip.
60 pesos para lang umihi? Marks?
You have to push it. Ayun pala siya. Ah.
Sa articles ko lang nakikita.
Sa articles ko lang nakikita.
Kaya para ano?
Mag-thank you ka kay tita. Asan na? Dito. Yeah. Say hi. Pupunta kami ng...
Punta kami sa Sham something.
Sham Elise? Ang konyo?
Ang hirap naman kasi.
Pero, basta nandito yung mga mamahalin. Kaya paalis na kami dito kasi hindi kami mamahalin.
Sorry. Ayan
Ito
na,
na siya.
narinig mo na yung mga busina.
Yung una ko napunta na ganito yung fake sa Las Vegas. Make a better place for you and for me. Heal the world. Make it a better place. I think so. And for me and the entire human race. After 48 hours.
Harap ka. Yay!
Wala ata eh. Guys, ito yung pinuntahan namin kaya naglumipad kami ng 48 hours. Nandito na kami. Kaya uwi na kami, joke. Kakain muna kami, alas 12 na. Tularan. Talagang OA na buwis buhay yan. Hindi dapat ginagawa. Wala man lang ano dyan. Yung kaninang pinuntahan namin, guys, may ano yun ah. May space. Ito talagang nakaharang po sila sa daan. It's not worth it. Nabubusinahan. Benta ng ganito dito, guys. Sa mga tourist area. Babalik na sila, guys. Kasi may dumaan lang na pulis. Binabantayan lang din nila kung titigil. Oo. Ito kami kakain. Seafood. Galing nito, parang pot. Tapos may lagayin siyang gano'n. Masarap ng dilis nga naman. Guys, pumunta kami ng Paris.
Na dilis.
Pumunta kami ng Paris para kumain ng dilis, guys. Sige, go, best. How is it? Wow! Alala.
Ano po bang klaseng dilis?
Actually, ano lang. Hap ng dilis, guys. Social talaga yung dilis na lasa.
Sorry, I don't understand. Number.
Merong number?
Oh, bag.
Oh, sabi 5 to 8 pa.
They said it will come at around 5 to 8. 5 p.m. Because we are outside right now.
Mukhang lang ba yan?
Oh, they don't speak English.
Na-expect kayo natin.
Yung luggage ko po na nawawala. Pero sabi po nila 5 to 8 eh.
Ibibigay yan nila. A 5 oras. This set off. Alors bonjour. Oui, 17 heures, s'il vous plaît. 17 heures. Oui. Merci beaucoup. La 5.
Ako.
Ay, wala na.
Okay na.
Na.
Sabi kanina 5 eh. Diba?
Sabi naman nung guy kanina, okay.
Kaya nga. Kasi tumawag po sila kanina, nag-iintay kami. Sabi talaga 11 to 2. Kaso sabi po namin, alis nga kami. Tapos, hindi nakuha ng driver yung memo. Yung driver siguro yun. Ito nga po. Wow. Saan ka naman makakita? Parang katedral nga naman. $169 ito 194. Ito ano 145 din. Palak mo tayo ng sugar din kanina, inuwi mo na lang sa cafe. Itlog. Ito oh. Hindi siya naka-rep guys. We will be in Paris for the next 7 days as Noreen takes a couple of baking classes at Le Cordon Bleu. I'm sure I'm butchering that up. But we're buying quite a bit of food for our place because of that. Nax. Ito yun, tama. Nax. Yun yung $2. Tapos, itong, ito yung nandito. Nasa taas yung presyo nila. Hulaan nyo anong ginagawa ni Noreen. Nagta-translate kasi di naman alam kung ano i-touch. May ganito sila dito guys. Maliit. Parang baby bok choy pero baby lettuce. Bumili kami ng baget. Hindi nakita itsura ko, sobrang Parisian ko kanina. Nakalabas yung baget sa tote bag ko. Pero masarap na kain na namin siya. Noreen is cooking now. Thanks, Chef Noreen. Ang aming dinner ay adobo with steamed veggies. Mga pinamili namin. Rice, because obviously we're Filipino. Tea, for all the food that I'm gonna eat. Snacks, because I'm a snacker. And then Big Bang. Guys, update. Wala pa rin yung luggage ko. Tumawag sila kanina kaya lang nasa labas kami. Kaya sabi ko 5 to 9 na lang i-deliver. Kasi naman rin yung unang usapan nung una silang tumawag. Kaso, magna-9 na wala pa si Koyang delivery. Hanggang bukas na lang yung damit ko kaya kailangan dumating na siya bukas. Kaso linggo baka hindi sila nagdi-deliver. Cry. Ilalim. It's okay.
Ay, hindi. May tutong lang siya.
It's okay. I like tutong. Alright, adobo time. Binaon pa namin itong adobo na to transcended across the... Kahapon pa namin ito. Ang balak namin bumili ng kanin kahapon. Pero pagod na kami. Update, wala pa rin yung luggage ko. Thanks, Chef.
Bon appetit.
Ulit. Tama yan.
Bon appetit.
Ganito kami dito. May mga isa kaming roll. Ako, taga-bayad lang. Admin ako. Finance.
Admin at finance.
Talaga.
But less sweet.
Parang na-chipan but less sweet?
It's parang pudding.
Parang pudding? Harap?
It's good. The top is kind of dry. Kasi ang tagal na niyang nandun sa ano eh. Exposed.
Oh, really? It's not supposed to be like that?
Mm.
But it's like lighter, less sweet, and like the texture is like more solid.
Yeah. It's not like super I think they use
Ano pa pagkalit? Yellow only? White lang. Ah, yolk.